The winner of week 7 on the Block 2020 and driving out of here with $10,000 cash from Ford is Terry Tash.
I'm laughing straight to the bank with this. I'm laughing straight to the bank with this.
Winning room.
The winning room.
Ooh. So they've got storage as well down the back here.
These finishings are a dog's breakfast. It's not even sanded.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
Oh, geez.
Jesus, Harry. That's a good paint job.
Is that a joke? That's not winning room, in my opinion. Would you say that's a winning room?
No. Is that yellow to white?
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
Looks like there's a different colour in between there and there.
There's a big scratch on the wall there.
Look at the plasterwork in the top corner. Have a look at the painting up here.
Yeah, I saw that up there.
The skirtings aren't gapped, the PowerPoint.
Daniel and Jade's room was executed to a T and beautiful.
It's so
and they lost by
unfair.
half a point to this.
Keith's patience has been sorely tested today in House 1, and enough is enough.
Harry! Power is off. Harry, and we've used Corflu to cover all these cables up, mate. It's just not good enough. I know you didn't do it.
Okay,
But at the end of the day, we just got to build safely.
Yeah,
it's not happening. So I think what you can do is pack your boys up and they can come back tomorrow. Out you go now. Out. Out. Just get out.
We should never be in that situation.
Daniel and Jade have another idea to attract the family market.
This week, just waiting to get a bit of more feedback on my roof storage idea. I'd love to put a storage area up in the roof, straight off the second deck.
Their proposed attic storage room will sit under the roofline of the old house and be accessed via the first floor of the new rear extension.
You can start it now.
Rightio, thank you.
And we want it revealed on Sunday.
Right. I knew that I was up against it straight away, yeah.
Before we do anything, we're going to have to inspect all the frames, subfloor, all the connections.
So, yeah, well, Keith checked it all yesterday, so, yeah, all good, mate.
All right. So I've just gotten off the phone to Keith.
Yep.
He said he was up there overseeing, but he's never done a formal inspection whatsoever.
Rightio.
That concerns me because I feel like I've been lied to.
There's no way that I've been trying to lie to you with it. So you can go and check whatever you want up there because everything's been done to those plans.
Well, I'm getting the engineer to come out.
Yeah, that's fine, mate.
Yeah,
sounds good.
That's happening after 1.
See you after lunch. Thanks, Dan. Bull, mate. Call me a liar. Thanks. He wanted us to cease tools immediately to get Dougie back out to have a look at it.
On the way out, the thing that disturbed me is I saw that you've put the beams above the joists.
Yeah.
Only getting half the nails into the supporting member. That's why I draw them up like that, is so that you set them in, so that you can actually get the brackets on properly. But yeah, I've never seen it done the way you've tried to do it.
Oversight on my behalf, just, you know, you're moving so quick, you just, yeah, just lost a bit of the detail.
In week 2, a friendly neighbour offered them the tree.
We're getting rid of a palm tree.
Oh my gosh.
There she is.
After checking it out with their landscaper, Jimmy and Tam held a body corp to get permission to move it before front garden week.
That's from us.
From us.
Then yesterday, a gas main nearly derailed the entire operation.
It might even be abort mission.
But now Darren Palmer is on his way back to the block.
Oh, la-di-da. Getting a big fat palm tree.
Yes.
To be honest, I'll be honest with you, this is Brighton. How many of those trees do you see, of those you see in the streetscape?
Shots fired.
Pretty close now, mate.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good, eh?
What do you think people think about your tree?
Well, apparently it's not Brighton. Oh, I just heard on the grapevine that someone may have said that my palm tree's not Brighton enough.
What happened? What did you hear? I didn't hear this. What did you hear?
Harry told someone that our palm tree doesn't fit in Brighton.